Migao mowale migao ma thieth laktar Barasa kod nyawadgi masomo Julius Ogamba odadho gi kawuono kod komiti mochung'ne welo e od bura mamalo. Dibora nolero ni obiro tiyo kod lony manyasani kod twak gi jokanyo e tayo migao no gino manoketo e chuny jood bura. Kamano bende migosi noyudore tago maliet sama ne otemo duoko penjo wi chenro ma en godo mar bero lai masomo mar CBC. Simfros Okinda leronwa kaka chenro madayo dhogi ne odhi.
I am a wife, a mother, and has 4 lovely children. I'm also a twin.
Mano laktar Debra Mulongo Barasa kolero nonro mare ne komiti mar od bura mamalo mochung'ne chenro mag gwelo. Debra manowal mondo kaw kar jatend migao machon Susan Akumicha bende olero ni en kod jaode gin kod mwandu manengone romo $452. Debra bende nolero ne komiti no lony mar adiera mar higni 18 moseyudo ka otiyo e sekta mar thieth e pacho ka kod e pinje maoko.
I have a vast experience in terms of policy advice, strategic direction, technical advice, and clinical practice. I have worked in the public sector as well as the private sector.
Kato bedo ni jood bura ne mor kod lony mare, thothgi ni kod to ka bende obiro nyalo tayo migao mar thieth kaluwore kod achiedh nade matama ma ogoyo tach e migao no.
What are the measures you intend to put in place should you be approved? One, to curb the theft that has been witnessed in NHIF.
One of the ways is using a digital platform that will reduce the human-to-human interaction and will be able to monitor challenges. And this needs to be implemented first on a phased approach, but ultimately at a national level.
So how do you intend to make sure that your health is really devolved?
So again, a consultative approach. I believe we need to involve the national team as well as the county government to have open dialogue and come up with interventions. Through you, Chair, I would like to address the issue of corruption by honorable member. Again, a consultative effort. The various stakeholders involved, the National Technical Working Group, the PSs and DGs, to understand, to conduct a situational analysis and see where the gaps are.
Jood bura onyiso ni ogimor kod ng'ich mare duoko penjo ewi kaka ochano tayo migao no.
But as I listen to you, I'm not hearing you enunciate or really bring out policy issues apart from consultation. I think the health sector suffers from real strong policies that can drive the sector so that we have all these issues, these strikes and everything else really not in place.
I want to hear from you your management skill. Or now you'll transit from that set mind of a straight line of thinking, and no wonder you are telling us every time consultation. Here, it is whereby the law applies. The law which is applied at KEMSA is not the same law which is applying with the doctors, remuneration and hiring.
Komachielo Julius Ogamba bende ne oyudore kama tek mar temo lero chenro ma en godo e bero lai mar somo mar CBC.
Where will the grade 9s be? Will they be in senior secondary or will they still be in junior secondary where there are no classes? Because there are no JSS teachers, there are no interns for that matter.
The shortage that will be there then comes to 5,000. This 5,000 then we have to do a systematic check to find out whether the adjacent schools where there will be no Form 1s, the children can go and study in those particular classrooms.
There are schools that are 20, 15 kilometers apart. So if you tell us that you will have some kids taken to a school neighboring where they'll be hosted, then I can tell you it's going to be very impractical.
Mana kaka nyawadgi mar thieth migos bende nolero ni obiro bago twak kod jokanyo e yudo duoko ne achiedh nade mokwako migao no.
I will offer leadership and hold discussions and consultations with each and everybody who is involved in the sector. For example, with respect to not having enough classes so that the children can be in school, the year 9 children can be in school in January, is an immediate problem. So that's a problem that takes priority that we need to look at and solve.
Chenro mar puodho jotend migepe mamoko pod dhi nyime. Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.